What if I told you that the Redmi A3 Pro was just another Redmi 14C in disguise? Today, we're going to be doing the unboxing. No, scratch that. Not unboxing, we're going to be doing the review because I've already done the unboxing. So if you want to see the unboxing, I could leave a link or something that would really help you to just see what's actually inside the box. The design, it comes with a glass back, and you can see that from the fingerprint smudges on the body of the phone. And it comes in two colors, which is the navy blue and the midnight black, and it has a plastic frame. It has a 6.88-inch display, which is large enough for your videos, and also has DC dimming that protects your eyes from fatigue. And it comes with a 90Hz refresh rate, which seemed pretty decent for basic use. It was not lagging at all, and you can toggle between the 90Hz and the 60Hz, which I think is a good advantage in cases of battery efficiency. It would actually manage your battery. In terms of the brightness of the phone, it comes with a 600 nits peak brightness, which is bright enough for you to see content under extreme sunlight. It's the Xiaomi Hyper OS, and it comes with a MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra, which is a good processor, and it allows you to be able to extend the memory of this phone up to 8 gigs of RAM. For the security aspect of this device, it comes with a side-mounted fingerprint, and when I tried it, it was very fast and responsive when I tried unlocking my phone multiple times. And it also has an AI face unlock, which was also very responsive as well. As usual, I tested the front and the rear camera, and this was the result I got for the rear camera and the front portrait mode of this device. Let me know what you think. The Redmi A3 Pro has a 5160 mAh battery which supports 18 watts fast charging. Now, if you'd like me to do a full-blown review placing the 14C and the A3 Pro side by side so you can see if there's any difference between these two devices, or let me know, put it in the comment section and I'll just get to work. For those that might be thinking of getting the 14C 4128 and probably cannot access it or cannot find it anywhere, I think this would be a substitute for the 14C because in every aspect it is so similar and it only comes in 4128. So this might just be a substitute for the 4128 version of the 14C. Let me know if you're actually looking forward to getting the device or if you think it's just the same thing with the 14C. Bye till I see you next time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.